Alright, back here once again, Tybee Island. Making our way on to Florida. Sometimes stop here. It is definitely December-ish. You can feel the December air. And you see we got like winter coats, Columbia out here. Kids already ran off. Oh yeah, there's a cargo ship out there.
The water's further up than when we were here before.
Yeah. Last year.
No nudity.
Video. Super low tide. Water was so far out.
Marine life. Man o' war, jellyfish.
What is a man-o-war? What is a man-o-war? What is that? A man-o-war. I need to know what that is. I need to know what a man-o-war is. Cargo ship all the way out there. Ah, I can feel the sun. In this. I'm gonna tell you guys this now. We're not gonna be here long. This is not gonna be a long stop here. No, it is not. Zip my jacket up. Once again, I have the camera. Yeah, we're not gonna be out here long. It's cold. Look at that face.
I gotta support everywhere I go.
Yo, look at that face.
Gotta support.
Your face is red. Your nose is red. Yeah, not gonna be out here long. It's cold. It's colder than last year.
I gotta strap that hat on.
Yes, it's colder than it was last year out here. Man, this dude is on the ground already. Yeah, it's colder than last year. I mean, it was cold. It was crispy. Oh, windy. It's cold and windy. It's cold and windy. We used to collect sand and shells from every beach we went to. Yeah, I don't know. I gotta find them later. See two boats. This dude's in the sand already.
That'll make me even colder.
We're not gonna be out here long, I promise you. Maybe we'll go to Tampa. Tampa should be warmer. I don't know. Yeah, we'll be in Florida for a while. So we'll be on the Tampa trip. Let's see. The seagulls are out here trying to chill too. Seagulls are out here chilling. Pictures too. See what this kid is about to kick that ball. ready to wrap this up. It's a new Columbia coat.
What?
This is a new Columbia coat.
It's not old.
Okay. Looks new. Oh goodness, don't get in the water. Have cold feet for sure. I didn't know where you, I thought you said over there.
Look like we're in the frozen tundra.
Yes. Definitely that. All right, let's go. Yes, that's colder out here than last year, but we always thought we were on our way down to the bottom. Well, not bottom, but down to Florida. So we normally stop here. As I said, last year, the water, it was really low tide. I don't know what time we were out here, but tide all the way, it was further out. Not as far out this trip. Not as far out this trip. It's colder this trip. It's colder this trip than it was last year when we were down here. But hopefully we get a chance to get to hopefully we get a chance to get to Tampa. The Tampa side of the Gulf, I mean Atlanta's always Atlantic is always cold. I know when we went to Daytona, at some point we did a Daytona stop, it was the same thing. So it always, this Atlantic water, this Atlantic side is always colder than the Gulf side. So hopefully we get to see the Gulf side. But last time the water was like brilliant. Yeah, it was way out. Goes in the water. I'm not picking up the wet, cold ball. This dude got summer socks on.
Now. Taking in the sand.
Too cold to be digging in sand. I had to switch. I took my city hat off for my Columbia attire. My Columbia attire is going to keep me warm out here.
I wanted all of you to have your hats. So that was the point.
Oh. You don't have your hat. I'll put
She
it.
doesn't have
So
a
when we
team.
get back to the car, I'll put my hat on and take a picture with you guys.
Drought?
Yeah, you think we're in the Arctic? Look like we're in the Arctic. All right. Yes, I'll put my hat on when we get to the car and take a picture with you. Yeah.
I have to be careful because the ground's so uneven.
Oh, yeah. Not good for the rehab. Yeah, it's colder here last year. It wasn't as cold.
It was. I don't know why you're thinking.
Did I have this jacket on? Did I have a real coat? I just remember having a hood, hat, and a scarf.
Tybee Island Trail?
I know, maybe I just gotta label those jars. 'Cause I know we had the jars. I need to clean this camera. Kids. Focus thing is off. Let's see. Trying to change the focus point on the camera. And they're going to have some. Guys, let's go. Research experiment in progress. Need some hot chocolate right about now. Chocolate would be good about now. Make our way back to the car and continue this trip down south, 95 south. 95 south, and then make our way across Florida. When we left, it was like 18 to 24 degrees, so now that it is 48, and we left snow. It was snowing when we left. So when we left, it was also snow. Lots of snow through parts of Pennsylvania into West Virginia. So this is much better.
Take it away.
So, soccer all day. Oh, your mom wanted me to put my hat on and take a picture with GT.
You're not making it. Give up already.
Keep Tybee. Alright. Bye to Tybee for now. Till another day, another time.